Did you know that one of the world's sweetest fruits is also packed with incredible health benefits? That's right. Mangoes aren't just delicious. They're a powerful superfood for your body. Welcome to Healthy Shift, where we share simple, natural ways to improve your health. In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 health benefits of mango, and by the end, you'll understand why adding this tropical fruit to your daily diet can make a real difference. Ready to see how mangoes can naturally boost your health? Let's get started. First, mangoes help boost your immunity. Mangoes are rich in vitamin C, an essential nutrient that strengthens your immune system and helps your body fight infections. Just 1 cup of mango provides nearly 67% of your daily vitamin C needs, helping protect you from colds, flu, and common illnesses. It's a delicious way to support your body's natural defenses. Next, let's talk about digestion. If you often feel bloated or heavy after meals, mangoes can help. They contain dietary fiber and natural digestive enzymes like amylase, which help break down food more efficiently. Better digestion means less discomfort, more energy, and a lighter feeling throughout the day. Mangoes are also great for heart health. They provide important minerals like potassium and magnesium, which help maintain healthy blood pressure and support proper heart function. Mangoes are also rich in antioxidants that protect your heart from oxidative stress. Supporting your heart can be as simple and enjoyable as eating a fresh mango. Here's an interesting fact. Mangoes support eye health. They are packed with vitamin A and beta-carotene, nutrients that help maintain good vision. These compounds reduce eye dryness and lower the risk of night blindness, helping protect your eyesight naturally. And finally, mangoes are excellent for your skin. They contain vitamins A and C, which help promote collagen production and keep your skin looking smooth and radiant. Whether you enjoy mangoes in your diet or use them in natural skincare, they help bring out a healthy, natural glow from within. And that's our Healthy Shift breakdown of the top 5 health benefits of mango. From stronger immunity and better digestion to heart support, improved vision, and glowing skin, this fruit truly earns its place in a healthy lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who enjoy natural health tips, and subscribe to Healthy Shift for more simple ways to live healthier every day. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest Healthy Shift videos.